do your own.
Okay.
It's just clean cloth. Okay, it's just to moisten it so it slides down much easier. Right.
Okay.
Hold up. Ball. Now you'll find there's a wee dimple on it. Put a dimple at the top.
Okay.
That makes it much easier. This bit's tricky, I'll do that bit, because quite frankly it takes a fair wallop. In fact, actually I carry a hammer just to, it makes life so much easier. Okay, ramrod.
Okay.
Up, in, and ram it down. Keep going, right down, tap it, fine, up, out. Always remember to remove the ramrod.
Yeah.
Unless it's an Indian.
Yeah.
Okay, the rifle up. Now you saw where the last shot went. You might want to
Aim up a bit.
raise the... No, the sights are fine, but you might want to let the little round ball a wee bit higher up.
Yeah, okay.
Percussion cap. Have a percussion cap, there you go. Push it on. For cold hands it's hard, good and tight. Because what you don't want is you lift the gun, it falls off and you can't shoot. Shout and bang at it doesn't work. If you want to try with the well, we'll just try it again with the set triggers. Get yourself down, get comfy, keep it against the shoulder so it just shoves you back rather than smacks you one.
Yeah. No.
You take the target home with you when you finish. But yeah. You should be happy with that. I mean, there's,
Yeah.
there's the centre. I mean, you're what, 1 inch off? You know? The term oops springs to mind. Somewhere in here. You were, well, no wait, so you were probably about 1/4 of an inch. You were also, if you look at the alignment there, okay, you may well have missed it as well, okay? With one we'll move a wee bit which hasn't got any hole in it.
Oh, look, you can see when my bullet kind of skipped over the thing.
No, I don't know if you did.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
I think, sure where you hit it. That's a 1/2 inch hole, or,
Yeah.
or something like that. It's not just a nail. No, it just, no, it kept on going sort of thing, I think. Somewhere.